everyone, I'm Shweta. I welcome you all to our channel Maths Camp. So today's our topic is HCF. In that we'll see some traditional method and some tricks to solve HCF. The highest common factor HCF of two numbers is the highest possible number which divides both the numbers exactly. In the simple words, the HCF of two natural numbers x and y is the largest possible number that divides both x and y. HCF is also called the greatest common divisor, that is GCD. A factor is a number that divides another number evenly, that is with no remainder. Hence, a factor is nothing but a divisor of the given number. So how to find factor? We need to find which number can exactly divide this number. Okay. So 1 can divide 50. Yes. 2. No, we cannot divide 15 by 2. We can, but it's not an exact number. So answer will be 7.5. It will be in decimal. So we cannot take here 2. Okay. Then 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay, next is 5 3s are 15, then 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, no. So last factor will be 15. So factors of 15 are 1 3 5 and 15. One more example, if we say, can we find the factors of 20? How to find factors of 20? So 1, then 2, yes, 2 10s are 20, 3, no, it's not, it will not be an exact number. Then 4 5s are 20, yes, 4 5 4s are 20, then 6 7 8 9, no, 10, yes, 10 2s are 20, and then 20. So these are the factors of 20. Okay, now we will find how to find HCF. In this method, we list out the factors of each number and determine the common factors of those numbers. Then, among the common factors, we determine the highest common factor. Let's understand this method using an example. Find HCF of 15 and 18. So first we'll need to find factors of 15 and 18. So factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, in the last we have seen how to find factors. 18, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, no, 6 3s are 18, then 9 2s are 18, and then 18. So factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Yes, then we need to find factors, common factors. Which are the common factors in both the numbers? 1, so write 1, then 3, then no. So the common factors are 1 and 3. So we need to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Which is the highest common factor? 3. So HCF is 3. Okay. We'll see one more example. So second is HCF of 12, 24, 48. So how to find? We need to first find factors of 12, 24, 48. So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. Factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 6 are 48. So 8 can be, here also 8 3s are 24. So here can also be 8, then 9 no, 10 no, 12, 24, 48. Is there any number? Okay, so we need to find common factors. So common factors are, common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 we cannot take because here is not 8, then 12, yes. So what will be the HCF? What will be the HCF? Which is the highest common factor? 12. So HCF of 12, 24, 48 is 12. Okay. HCF by prime factorization. In this method, we find the prime factorization of each number and find the common prime factors of those number. Then we find the HCF of those numbers by finding the product of the prime factors that are common to each of the given numbers. Let's understand this method using an example. So the name itself says prime factorization. We need to find factors of these numbers which are prime numbers. Okay. So first draw like this. Write 20 here. Write 30 here. Okay. So first prime number which can divide 20. 2. So write 2. 10s are 20. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 1s are 5. We have taken directly 5 because 3 4 cannot divide 5 and 4 is not a prime number. 3 cannot divide 5, so we have taken 5 itself. So 5 ones are 5. Okay. So for 30, which is the least prime number? 2. So 2 15s are 30. Then 2 cannot divide 15. Then next prime number is 3. So 3 5s are 15. Then 5 ones are 5. Okay. So we got factors of 20, 2 into 2 into 5, and factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 2 into 5, and factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. So here again we need to find common factors. So common factors will be 2 and 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. Okay. So next question is find HCF of 36 and 48. So first draw like this. Write 48 here, 36 here. What is our first step? Find least prime number which can divide 36. So least prime number is 2. So can 2 divide 36? Yes, 2 18s are 36. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 2 cannot divide 9. So we have taken 3. So 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 1. Okay. Next is 48. So least prime number is 2. So can 2 divide 48? Yes. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1. Okay, now we have got the factors of 36 and 48. Now we'll need to find common factors. So common factors are 2 2. So write 1 2, then 2 2, then 2 3 3. Then there is no 3 again, no 2 here. So common factors are 2 2 and 3. To find HCF, we need to multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. Now you got it. Next method we'll see division method. HCF by division method. This method is similar to the prime factorization method. Only difference is in the prime factorization we find factors of each number separately, but in this division method we find the factors together. Next method is division method. For example, find HCF of 30 and 90. Okay. So in the prime factorization we have done factors differently. Okay. So in the division method we will find it in the single diagram. Okay. So first prime number can divide both numbers 2. So 2 15s are 30 and 2 45 90. Then 2 cannot divide 15 and 45. So we'll take next prime number. Next prime number is 3. So 3 5s are 45. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next is 5 and 15. 3 cannot divide 5. That's why we have taken another number. Another prime number is 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay. So now we have got both the prime numbers in the last. So we will not proceed again. So we need to stop here because we got both prime number. Okay. So how to find HCF? HCF will be multiply these numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5. So 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30. So HCF will be 30 of 30 and 90. Okay. So you need to stop whenever you got the prime number. Okay. We'll see one more example to clear this topic. So find HCF of 136, 144 and 168. What we'll need to do here in division method, in the single diagram write 136, 144 and 168. First prime number which can divide all the numbers, 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 7 are 72, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. Okay. Next, can 2 divide all the numbers? Yes. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Next is again 2 2 17 34, 2 18 36, 2 21 42. Now here we got 17 as a prime number. We got one prime number. That means stop. We got one prime number, 2 or 3, anything, but we need to stop here as soon as we got prime number. Okay. So HCF will be multiplication of factors. So 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So HCF of 136, 144 and 168 is 8. Now you got it? Yes. Now we'll see some tricks to find HCF in faster way. Okay. So first trick is, if you need to find HCF of 15 and 18, what we'll need to do is find difference of these numbers. So difference is 18 minus 15, 3. Difference is 3. Check whether the difference can divide both the numbers in exact number. So how to check? Divide 15 and 18 by 3. So 15 by 3 is 5, get exact number, and 18 by 3 is 6. So we got exact numbers when we divide these numbers by difference. Okay. So our HCF is 3. Next we'll see one more example, 30 and 60. Difference between these numbers are 60 minus 30 is 30. Check whether 30, if we divide by 30 on the both numbers, can we get exact number? 30 by 30 is 1, 60 by 30 is 2. That means HCF is 30. Okay. What you will need to do is find the difference between both the numbers. If the difference can divide the given numbers in exact number, then that will be your HCF. What if that difference cannot divide the given numbers? Then what we'll need to do? We'll check our trick true. So next, our numbers are 50 and 80. What is the difference between 50 and 80 is 30. If we divide 50 by 30, can we get exact number? It's 3 by 5. That means the answer will come in decimal. That means this difference cannot divide this number in exact number. So what we'll need to do is, we need to find factors of 30. So factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. So we can check here. So 30 cannot divide all the both the numbers in exact number. Next we'll check second number. Second number is 15. If we divide 50 by 15, can it give you exact number? No. So we'll cross this number too. Then 10. Can 10 divide both the numbers in exact number? So 50 by 10 is 5 and 80 by 10 is 8. That means HCF of 50 and 80 is 10. You can do it in orally also. You do not always need to write these numbers. You can do it in mentally also. Okay, we'll see one more example. Next number is 30, 90. What is the difference between 30 and 90? 60. Can we divide 30 by 60? No, it won't come in exact number. Then find factors of 60. Factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, then 12, after 12, 15, 30 and 60. These are the factors of 60. So 60 cannot divide in exact number. Then the next factor is 30. Can these numbers divide by 30? 30 by 30, 1, 90 by 30, 3. We got exact number. That means HCF of 30 and 90 is 30. Okay, if the difference is not divisible by given numbers, then find second number. If second is also not divisible, then find third. If third is also not divisible, then find fourth. Okay, so it mostly come between 3 and 4. Okay, so is this easy method? Yes. We'll see one more trick. Now we have seen two tricks which are of two numbers. But what if comes 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers? Then what we'll need to do here is find difference. So find difference. 12, 24 is 12. 24, 48 is 4. We need to select least difference. Always select least difference. So least difference is 4. Can 4 divide all the numbers in exact number? First check. 12 by 4 is 3. 24 by 4 is 6. 28 by 4 is 7. We got all the exact numbers? Yes. That means HCF is 4. Okay. What if the numbers are 6, 24, 28? Now difference are 18 and 4. Least difference is 4. But can 4 divide all the numbers in exact number? 6 divided by 4, it will be in decimal. So it is not the HCF of these numbers. So what we need to do is find factors of 4. So factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. If difference is not divisible, then select second. Can 2 divide all these numbers in exact number? Yes. 6 by 2, 3. 24 by 2 is 12. 28 by 2 is 14. That means HCF of these numbers is 2. Okay. So find HCF of these numbers. Difference is 136, 144, 8. And here difference is 24. Which is the least number? 8. Can 8 divide all these numbers? 136 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. Sorry, 8 ones are 8. 5, 8 sevens are 56. Then 144 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8. 6, 8 eights are 64. And 168, 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 ones are 8. So we got all the exact numbers. Yes, so HCF is 8. Okay.
Now you already know that the HCF of A and B is the highest common factor of the numbers A and B. Let us have the look at the important properties of HCF. So the properties of HCF are: first, HCF of 2 or more numbers divide each of the numbers without a remainder. Second, HCF of 2 or more numbers is the factors of each of the numbers. Third, HCF of 2 or more numbers is always less than or equal to each of the numbers. Fourth, HCF of 2 or more prime numbers is 1 always. Relationship between LCM and HCF. HCF of 2 or more numbers is the highest common factor of the given numbers. It is found by multiplying the common prime factors of the given numbers, whereas the least common multiple LCM of 2 or more numbers is the smallest number among all the common multiples of the given numbers. So LCM of A and B
multiply by HCF of A and B equal to A into B, product of given numbers.
So in the today's lecture we have covered HCF. What is HCF? Methods to find HCF, that is prime factorization and division method. Then I have told you some tricks to solve HCF in easier and faster way. Okay, so this is all for today. If you like my video,
So
then please
LCM
like
of
it,
A
share
and
it and
B
subscribe it.
multiply by
Please press the
HCF
bell
of
icon.
A and
So
B
if I
equal
upload
to
the next video,
A
you will
into
get
B,
notification.
product
Either
of
you
given
will not
numbers.
get any notification. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep spamming. Thank you so much.